Welcome back to my kitchen and thanks for getting munched out with me. Today we'll be doing a simple turmeric bone broth. It's that weather where you don't know if you want to be hot or cold. So a lot of people have been getting sick. This soup is just going to help build up your immune system. And also if you're already sick, it's just give you something warm with herbs and spices and using simple ingredients to make you feel better. So we're going to use some mushrooms. We have some celery, some green onions, some regular yellow onions, and our garlic. Of course, we have some rotisserie chicken and our turmeric powder. Let's go. Remember I said this recipe is simple? I really mean it. So we're just going to take our ingredients, like our whole yellow onions, cut them in half, using the skin and everything on it because we're going to actually drain this broth. We got some garlic. I'm going to use those whole and put those in. I got green onions in here and celery that I've washed and chopped, and I'm going to add into my pot. I got my mushrooms. I'm just going to add that also into my pot. And my chicken, rotisserie chicken that we use, I've actually deboned those, and I'm just using the bone and put that in my pot. So I'm just going to turn my pot on to start to get all these flavors going with my turmeric powder. I'm going to use 1/3 cup of turmeric powder. You can use less or more depending on your taste and what you actually like. And I'm just going to right now saute these down just a tad bit. Once I start smelling the turmeric powder, once I start smelling all the aromas of everything that's in the pot, it's cooked down enough. I'm not cooking it down to a certain temperature or cooking it down to where it's sauteed. I'm just cooking it down to start opening up those flavors. And once I start opening up those flavors, I am going to add simple water. I'm going to add just enough water where it's covering everything that's in the pot, and make sure we're pushing everything down into that water. And we're just going to let this simmer. The longer you let it simmer, the better. I'm going to simmer mine for about 4 hours. And before I simmer it, just to add a little flavor to my pot, I am using my handy dandy Knorr chicken base. This thing is a lifesaver, you guys. It has a whole lot of flavor to it, so I don't add anything but that to it. As you guys can see, the water is changing color and everything because of the turmeric powder and because of the base that I put inside there. So I'm just going to cover this pot and let it simmer. So this is at about my 4-hour mark. I'm just checking it out, making sure everything is going as the way it needs to go. Let me wipe my frames off so you can actually see what's going on. As you guys can see, everything done cooked down real good. I left all the skin and everything of my celery and onions and everything in my broth because it provides a lot of vitamins and nutrients that your body needs for its immune system. And here I am with my beautiful broth. We're done. It takes a little longer. If you cook it for more than 6 hours, that's even better. But I'm just doing it for 4 hours. And see the way I just scoop that up? That's just how I'm going to serve it. If you guys want to take the time to actually strain your broth, you can. I don't feel like doing all that. My wife is sick, so I'm just going to go ahead on and feed her. And we're done. Thank you guys for watching my video. Like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I hope you guys feel good this season.